Morning, everyone. Bright and early. Fixing to leave Vegas in the rearview mirror. So, got another hot day ahead of us. Gonna head up towards the Lake Tahoe area, just south of Lake Tahoe for today. 6-7 hours, depending on how many stops we take. I don't know what's interesting out there, but anyhow, it's time to load up and go.
Vegas, baby. It's from Lake Tahoe. There it is, baby. Death Valley. If you can see that, we've now entered Area 51, land of the aliens. Well, here we are, folks. Sitting in the middle of the desert.
Death Valley.
Death Valley. Can you see the goats up there? You know, if we don't get out of here, at least we got supper. You see them goats? Can you hear them?
They look real happy living on that hill in Death Valley.
All we can hope for is that that truck right there is really full of blue moon.
So we survived Vegas, got the bikes on dry dock, and we made it to Walker, California at the Toyabe Motel. I probably just butchered that. It's named after a national forest out here, so it's just south of Lake Tahoe. But a really cool motel. We got a couple that owns it and operates it, and you can tell it's been here for a while. This is one of the areas got really close to getting torched with the Tomahawk wildfire. And they're not quite out of the woods yet. There's still a lot of smoke and a lot of haze. I don't know if you can see that back there, but rolling into the valley, just smoke is everywhere and you can breathe it. It's pretty rough as far as the air quality, but this place is really, really nice. So we're into the cold snacks. We're gonna go over to the Walker Burger, and apparently everybody knows about this place, because I mean, get your peepers on this, because it is packed over here. And this is just a tiny little town, so we'll be excited to see how good it is. I'm expecting big things from there, so we'll catch up with you here in a few minutes. Walker Burger. It's going to be fantastic. We sure hope so. So
I feel it.
Daniel?
It's just an old burger stand, but my brother here says, and for you Dallas guys, you know what Keller's is. He's thinking that what he ordered is going to be just like number 5 from Keller's.
Number 5 special.
So you know, we'll see. You know, we're gonna find out. But I tell you, this place gets so much traffic, it's got to be good. Miss Dee Dee, what'd you get?
Chicken strips and zucchini.
Yeah.
Fried zucchini.
You always got to turn your head when that chicken strips, but we got burgers, so that'll be good.
And what do we get for late night after whiskey drinking?
We got grilled cheese sandwich. So we were proactive this time because this place rolls up the sidewalks at 7 o'clock. So if you're not thinking ahead, then you're going to be left behind in the dust or the smoke. So
I didn't notice a jailhouse when we came into town, so we'll probably get food.
I hope so.
Cross our fingers. Anyhow, just wait for them to call our name. All looks good. All right, here we go. Got some food.
Got water. Let me see if this shake is any good. I'm not supposed to have.
Well, must be good.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, strawberry shake.
There you have it. Time to chow down.